Ngibingelele ku-Media Production, ukhulumayo uMethula yoqavile. Ngoba selana
kumele i-fight for i-team, i-fight ngayo yonke indlela.
The team is in huge celebration of
Okay, asikubingelele sikwamukele kunaleli Media Production. Cela usitshele igama Isibongo, usitshele position yakho la ethimini and tell us ukuthi why we here today. Njengoba sibona ukuthi team yonke iphelele lana kumnandi kushisa inyama.
Ngibingelele ku-Media Production, ukhulumayo uMethula, umbekezeli igama. Ngirepresenta itshe lejuba i-team yethu. So we are here to celebrate ukuwina i-league ngonyaka odlule, phinde futhi phinde sivule futhi unyaka as we are about to start i-league yakulo nyaka. Yeah.
So ngizwile ukuthi njengoba nizo-celebrate you guys are champions. How does it feel ukuthi nibe ama-champions unyaka wonke ngonyaka ophelile?
Not to sound arrogant, but we're used to it because it's not the first time we are my champions. So
okay.
Feeling of my champions.
Okay. So ikuphen kwenzayo uqinisekisa ukuthi you guys are champions throughout the seasons. Njengoba uthi feeling enijwayele. What are the strategies that you guys use to ensure ukuthi nihlale ngama-champions?
As much as go work and play, so meaning we're not doing this full time, but we try our best. Seeing there's this kind to practice, we do have our matches every Wednesday, whereby we practice as a team, and then usually work and play we play it usually on my weekends. So during the week we practice, especially on Wednesdays. Then during the week, about practice individually, basically on Wednesdays. But most important, we play as a unit, we play as a team. So I think that's why
So what was your highlight of the season?
Cishe ngathi match ebaluleke kakhulu ile whereby skipper mangithi ama-champions yithi ama-champions but nge-team esibiza ama-champions. So engashuthi ama-champions omgogotelo ngoba phela nama-champions angempela. So ileyo win whereby babe u-number 1 besishiya ngo-2 points, so we had to win that game in order for us ukuthi sihlale ku-number 1. So sabina ngo-2-1, so iyona-ke match eyayibaluleke kakhulu.
Okay, so as unyaka usaqala ikuphi enikufisayo for i-team yenu?
Uqhubeka nje la sasigcine khona last year sivulele isibhaxu. Last year we didn't start well, so this year we want to start on a high note and singaqala ngama-draws, qale nje ama-win all the way.
Sesivala ikuphi ofisa ukusho kuma-teams abonayo njengamanje njengoba ukhuluma enizodlala nawo this year? Sesivala nje
bafethu ngiyalazi ukuthi isibhaxu nje one siyabonga.
Thank you for your time.
Production okhulumayo uNkosinathi Sikhosana, ugoalkeeper etimini. I-team is in huge celebration of winning i-league. Sibe ngama-champions 2 times in a row.
Okay.
It's a very big thing for us.
So siyazi ukuthi njengoba nilana niya-celebrate it's a closing and opening function. Mhlambe nje ezunyaka usaqala siqale nje ngonyaka usaqala ikuphi enikufisayo for i-team yenu and mhlambe what were the challenges ebenibhekene nawo last year?
It's true, we are closing the previous season, opening the new season of 2026. Kuma challenges ebesiba nawo sometimes ukufika kwama-teams in time on the field, nathi ukuthi we have to make means for our own transportation to the field of play. yeah, that has been the challenge for us. But we are aiming high as well to do well as well this season. We would be glad if we can win the league for the 3rd time in a row.
Yipi mention I enjoyed the most during the season?
I enjoy many games to say, but the one which has been outstanding for me, it was against the champions, which were our rivals, competitors for the league title, where we managed to beat them 2-1.
Okay.
It was a very tough game because we didn't dominate the game, but we managed to score and win and get the result we were looking for.
What strategies do you use to ensure Gutinya win?
Every week we have a practice match.
Okay.
That is one strategy that is effective for us.
Okay. And then lastly,
Me as a goalkeeper, communication is the key.
okay.
If our communication is being effective, we manage to win the games as well, because you cannot play as an individual in the field of play. And if the others you're trying to communicate to are not listening to what you say, it's not going to work out. So communication is the key.
Eyokugcina sesivala to every teams ababukayo njengamanje ngathini kubona.
I hope you also excited and looking forward to the new season. Hopefully we'll have an exciting one as well that is very competitive like the last season.
Thank you for your time.
Thank you.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu ngibingelele igama lami uMazwi kodwa bangibiza umgasi isikhathi esiningi. So namhla silana uzo celebrate ukuthi sewinile last year. Now before last year sewinile futhi, so sidefenda ileague bekade sinayo vele, so sizo celebrate nje sisazoqala nonyaka omusha. Siyathemba futhi ukuthi kuzophinde kuhambe kahle.
Please tell us your position.
My position ngidlala isisu mina.
Okay. So njengoba udlala isisu, iziphi i-strategy wena personally obusebenzisa to ensure ukuthi team yakho igcine ikorile lapha empalini?
Engicabanga ukuthi mina kuyangisebenzela mangidlala ibhola ukuthi ibhola ungaluzi,
Okay.
ungalahleki kuningi. So ukuthi yona into engisizayo leyo, nanokuthi uma kumele i-fight for a team, i-fight ngayo yonke indlela.
So to everyone obukayo njengamanje ungathini kuyena?
Engakusho ukuthi isizini nesizini ayifani, isizini nesizini ama-challenges awo, kodwa ke thina siyi-team healthy siyathemba ukuthi sizozama futhi ukwenza kangcono kunalokho esikwenzile last year. Siphinde sibe committed, sidlale ngendlela yokuthi sifuna ama-results. If sidliwe egemini edlule sikwazi ukuyibeka ngemuva leyo game, sibhekane nalesibhekane nawo ngaleso sikhathi. Angithi lokho
Sesizovala, take us back to the season. Yiphi yakho enjoy match?
mina personally ngiyathanda amadlala nalama team amakhulu.
Okay.
Yeah, mhlawumbe uMasipala, mhlawumbe ama-champions. Hayi laba abanye singababona nje, kodwa makudlala nalama team amakhulu engicabanga ukuthi sisuke sikhompyutha nawo kakhulu. uMasipala, ama-champions, mhlawumbe nama-legends.
Okay.
Ngibona abantu nje kodwa nje ngicabanga lawo magame engathi ama-highlights engibe nawo for last season.
Siyazi ukuthi abantu abasha are watching right now as we are talking. Ungathini kuwo wonke umuntu omusha obukayo njengamanje?
Malane God.
Yes. Anything nje you want to say to all the young people?
So umuntu omusha engakusho ukuthi kubalekile ukuyiphatha kahle la.
Okay.
Ungagcini uyifaka ey'ntweni kusasa ozoyiregreta. Kubalekile ukuthi lokho okuthandayo ukwenze nalokho okubonayo ukuthi kungakusebenzela ukusebenzisa ngendlela right.
Elakho lokugcina sesivala.
Ngifuna ukuthi sikhona so-team healthy again this year. Siyathemba ukuthi sizophusha njengoba siphushile last year.
Thank you for your time.
Thanks.
Umbuso makadala ngidlala wonke ama-position versatile. Bangithatha bengibeka emuva mabexakile, makunzima bengise phambili mabedinga umuntu ozokora.
Okay.
Umgadi oqavile. Ngoba silana nje sizobungaza ubuna kwethu kweligi, sawina singadliwanga, sadraw nje saba nama-draws nama-wins kuphela. Sayiwina iligi saba
ama-undefeatables.
As undefeatables, what was the highlight of season?
Eish, ile kahle after i-league le yase-Vryheid yabo. Umzima sabuza lesi swing league sekumele sidlala ama-playoffs le ish. Ngayezwa yayimnandi game kodwa futhi yayitough i-challenge ayikho.
As umdlali odlalela onke ama-positions, as you said, what strategies do you use to ensure ukuthi team yakhe yawina?
Ngihlezi ngibafundisa ukuthi bezama ukwenza izinto zibe lula, bengenzi izinto zibe nzima abantu. Ungafuni ukwenza ugqame, phasa ibhola phasa umuntu oseduze lapho egqoke ijezi enjengelapha. Ungenzi into ibe nzima, uyiqhaza. Balekile manje.
Yeah. So as unyaka ka 2026 usaqala, what would you want to say to team yakho? Noma yeah.
Ufuna ukuthi nje i-team iqhubeke ibambisane, ihloniphane, noma imoya ibuye iphakame kodwa bezama ukuzehlisa abantu sihloniphane. I-team izoyiwina futhi league mangabanjisana ngaleyo ndlela.
To all the teams abadlala against you guys, ungathini kuona njengamanje ababukayo?
Hayi ngasho nje ukuthi isukile kuzophinde kwenzeke ngaleyo ndlela futhi nakuzenyanga.
Okay, lakho lokugcina sesibala.
Sengivala nje nduna njengesihlele sami kule team ngiyazi ngabe yami ukuthi wedwa ungikhonzile laba abanye vele abangizwe kodwa zophinde sewine le league ngabe yami so ngiyimi nawe kuphela vele scorer senza ama plan kuphela nje ayi ngibonga ithuba la.